What's up, guys? It's me. I know it's pretty dim, and hold on a sec. Had to close my door for a little bit, but this is a new thing I'm gonna be doing on my channel. I'm actually gonna be doing day-to-day shop unboxing. So, actually got a package from bought on day-to-day shop some stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all see what I actually got. Just let me get my knife. And see what I actually got. Alright. I just came from school. I just got my RTC shirt on. Alright. See what we actually got here. Alright. Anything else in here? Okay, here's the receipt, and I spent $77 on this stuff. So yeah, I got Lucha Dragons t-shirt. So let's take that up. Here we go, is a Lucha Dragon shirt. You guys can see it. It says Lucha Dragons, and it has both of them there. In the back it says Lucha Dragons too. So yeah, got that t-shirt. These are all like mediums, so yeah. All of them are mediums, and I got, okay, right here I got a Dean Ambrose t-shirt. A medium also. Set the paper down. And here we go. We have Unstable here. And it has a Dean Ambrose logo on here. So, yeah. The Unstable Dean Ambrose t-shirt. That is pretty cool. And up next, we got Stone Cold Steve Austin shirt. This is, I forgot which one it is. It's Austin 316 TM. In the back, we got his symbol in the back, and it says Stone Cold on here. So yeah, Stone Cold Steve Austin shirt. I just had to get like a different size for all of them. And on here I got, used to be United States Champion, Roman Reigns t-shirt. I do got a Roman Reigns t-shirt already, but I just need a new Roman Reigns t-shirt. And let's see which one it is. It's the Roman. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can kind of see it. It's a Roman Empire. It says Spearum on here. And in the back, gonna have to use my light. Back here it says, believe Let's see what it is. I forgot which wrestler I got. This with Dolph Ziggler. This is doing the show on here. In the back, it says World Destruction Tour. So yeah, destruction. Okay. Just to give you a recap, we got the destruction t-shirt. Okay, let's move that. We got the kind of like the Roman Empire. Austin 316. The Unstable Dean Ambrose t-shirt. And the Lucha Dragons t-shirt. I got one more package from WWE Shop that's supposed to come in. Actually, 2 packages, I think. One is something I took back, and one is the DVD and cup. So, see once I actually get those packages. So, peace out, and I hope you like this video.